Hi guys! So this is my January 2015 favorites. So this is a tray full of my makeup and skincare products that I've mostly used this January 2015. So continue watching. First is this Skin Bliss Lift the Veil Organic Balancing Cleansing Oil. What I love about this product is after almost a month, I'm almost using this for a month, and I think the product is still about this 80%, about 80 ml. So I've just consumed 20 ml only for the month of January, and I mean until today of February. What I love about this is that at first there's no you cannot see the outcome, but now my face is normal to oily skin. Yeah, I'm actually actually the oiliness on my T-zone has been reduced because of this product. So that's why I love it, and I'll continue watching. And it's not drying, so it balances your skin. Next, this Quick FX Eye Lift Cream, and also Quick FX Tinted Moisturizer. What I love about this eye lift cream is definitely this first week of February that I am on my graveyard duty, and it prevents my eyes from puffiness, and it actually reduces the appearance of fine lines. This tinted moisturizer, I use this as a primer. Next is this is mostly one of my favorite. Is CJ Skincare Lip Scrub. What I love about this product, it smells strawberry, and it looks like strawberry, because it actually, not everyone knows pochi, but it's like the taste of pochi. But I just applied it here. So actually I just have my eyebrows done. Don't have any makeup on, just my eyebrows. Next is also from CJ Skincare this is Chicken Lip Tint. It's very a pigmented lip tint. It doesn't have any smell on it actually. We'll try to apply it because I don't have any product on my lips. That's why I love this product. It has a very just natural blush on your lips, though it actually always stain my finger. So next is e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzing Powder. I love this to bring on my duty because it has the shimmer blush and the contouring powder, which has slight shimmer but not really. It's actually, I like the glowing effect. Next is this Pretty Simple face powder. I'm already heating the pan. It's only 99 pesos, and it has a great finishing powder. It's I don't know. Next is this Maybelline Cream Matte Mousse in what is this? In light beige. I love this using for my everyday routine. It is super my skin tone, as in. Next, I love this Pen Shop Color Hydradiance Blush On in Muse. It has a great blush, a really cute pink blush with shimmer, and it's very it's radiant to your skin. Next, I'm loving this. It color my brows. It's actually on my I top it off on my LA Girl gel liner in brown, and I top it off, and it matches my hair color. Super matches my hair color. Next is this NYX matte lipstick in Shocking Pink. So actually this is old. I mean, I've had this for almost, I don't know what year, but I'm loving this again lately. I've been using, and I actually try to finish them. And also I love this Maybelline Nishido High Definition Lipstick in Rogue Blossom. Yeah, that's very HD. I'm using an HD camera, so the lip color is very pigmented. Try to fix that. It's so nice. It has such a nice shade. And next is this, and last but not least, is this EB lip pencil in deep pink. So it's only for 100 pesos. Yeah, 100. The shade is I love that it's matte, and it's long lasting than any other lip products. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for more videos. See you again on my next vid. Bye!